Hey, this is Travis Stirewalt with Air Power Live. Today we are talking about floor matting with the expert from Southern Market Share, Mr. Tom Gondi. Tom, how you doing?
I'm well, thank you, Travis.
Talk to us about floor matting.
Certainly. So most people think of floor matting, they think of a piece of foam with a vinyl cover over the top of it. This is what we see in about 80% of 90% of work environments. It's down on the floor, you stand on it. Ooh. How's that feel?
It feels super comfortable.
Yeah, nice and soft, isn't it?
It's a little bit narrow for my size.
It is. We do make them in bigger sizes. So this is your starter, your good matting that you can put down on the floor. But we've also got another option. This comes from Matta. And this is a product that is made, rather than from foam, it's made from extruded PVC. So it's injected molded. It's a single piece design, and we do 20-inch by 20-inch tiles. So this is the underside, here's your top side. So you can put these together to create any size, any shape you want. And when you put it down on the floor, you can build out the size that you want to. Go ahead and step up on that.
All right.
How does that feel?
That's really different.
Yeah, it is different.
I mean, I feel the cushion, but it doesn't just like, I don't fall into it, you know.
That's right.
Like one of those collapsible mattresses.
That's right. So this mat gives you a lot more support. So when we're designing an area with the Matta product, we're kind of looking at it as an ergonomic floor. And the reason you feel the extra support is the body needs support, so we're keeping you up on top of the work surface.
Okay.
And the underside of that mat, those compression columns I shared with you, that's like shock absorbers. So they give and take with your body. And it's imperceptibly moving as you're standing on it. And what that's doing is it's stimulating blood flow in your legs. And that's what reduces fatigue. You keep that blood moving throughout the body while you're standing doing a job all day long.
I mean, I'm a big dude. I'm right at the 300 mark. And I can feel this. I mean, I can feel it give a little bit, and it cushions my walk. So yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, actually, we can support up to 6,000 pounds per square foot with this.
What's the yellow thing? Like you have it right here.
So we have these yellow borders, and what we do is we create transition points on and off of the mat. So we're able to put these on where we need them. So if we had a workbench on one side or an assembly area, we'd only put the edges on the side we need, so we can transition on and off the mat. We eliminated a trip point, as well as creating a point that we want to roll a card up onto it.
Yes.
To keep you up on the work surface, we can roll a card up on the mat.
Cool. Tom, thank you so much.
Thank you.
My feet, thank you. I feel much more comfortable right now. All right. airpower-usa.com, 1-800-334-1001.